All packed up.
Do you ever get nerves at this stage?
Most of my nerves now are like getting my behind to the start on time, and like, you know, dealing with the amount of people, like navigating the crowd and getting to the start. Feeling good, man. Caffeinated up, fueled up. Got some good fluids in. Have my sunscreen on. Just the most prepared I've ever been. That's good. Hopefully the gravel here is not too loose.
It's loose.
It's loose?
Really loose.
Oh boy.
Welcome, Hincapie family, to the Gran Fondo Hincapie in the lovely town of Lehigh Valley, Pennsylvania.
Every race is different. You got to get a feel for what's going on, where you need to be, when you need to be there. Luckily, the race is pretty chill, and so we were able to get organized pretty quickly. And then the race starts.